3 Salon in West Seattle. Today I'm going to do a really chill tutorial for you. Simple and chill. Because I bet right now there's so many of you who have been going days without showering and times with dry shampoo, or if you haven't gotten your color done, you haven't done it at home for yourself, that you feel like your scalp is just itching to get something on there. So maybe you've put on color mascara on your scalp as well. So what I'm saying is I bet your scalp is feeling really funky right now, COVID-19 funky. And it's so good that a lot of you aren't doing a lot of shampooing, but the conditioning is really important. And this is the other thing that you can do all for yourself. Really important to circulate and massage your scalp. So after you've shampooed and you're getting ready to, and you're conditioning, put that conditioner on. Have your hands out like this and bring it up underneath the hairline and start to massage your scalp. And in the back, go underneath, because it's much easier to get underneath all of the tangles in your hair when you have conditioner in your hair, and also when you are going underneath instead of coming up from the top. So crossing over your fingers like this underneath and putting all of the pressure at the finger, not the tips, but the inside of that finger right there. So underneath, going back and forth and kind of going against the grain. If you want to massage around, that's great too, but the whole point is to really make sure that you are, this is what happens for me and everyone else, this back part of your head, the scalp where you're sleeping. For those people who don't get that taken care of, that's what I really want you to focus on too as well. And believe it or not, even though I'm not the one giving you the normal scalp and neck and shoulder massage that feels so amazing that I love doing for you, you are still getting the circulation, and you're getting the self-love part and the self-care part. So until I see you and I'm able to massage your neck and your shoulders and your scalp and give you that Christina love, just remind yourself that you're doing a good job with a lot of patience at home for something that's really necessary with the circulation. And while you're doing it, one of my other friends out there has really said that breathing while you're doing it is incredibly smart right now. So really, when you're underneath massaging, take a deep breath in your nose. It's breathing in your nose and out your mouth while you're doing it for yourself. And instead of a contraction of what's happening right now, while we're all feeling that contraction of the intensity going on at this time, you are gonna feel that release of all that energy that's been pent up. And you're gonna really get in there and nicely and gently take it out on your scalp. All right, so until I see you in the salon at part 3, be well, be happy, be safe, and be calm. All right, thank you.